Two powerful military transport giants. Two completely different philosophies. The Embraer C-390 Millennium and the Airbus A400M Atlas. But here's the real question. Why do so many pilots still prefer Boeing or Airbus designs? Is it performance or something deeper inside the cockpit? To most people, they're just cargo planes. But to pilots, these machines are everything. Control, trust, survival. One wrong system, one confusing interface, and everything can go wrong. The debate goes beyond military aircraft. It touches two aviation giants, Boeing and Airbus, each with its own philosophy, each shaping how pilots fly. So when comparing aircraft like the KC-390 and A400M, you're really comparing two worlds. The Embraer C-390 Millennium is fast, modern, and jet-powered, designed for efficiency and digital control. Meanwhile, the Airbus A400M Atlas uses turboprop engines for versatility and rugged operations. Two different missions, two different designs, but both influenced by commercial aviation thinking. Here's where it gets interesting. Pilots often debate manual control versus automation. Aircraft inspired by Boeing tend to give pilots more direct control, while Airbus focuses heavily on automation and flight computers. Some pilots love control, others trust systems. Here's the twist. It's not about which is better, it's about training, experience, and mindset. A pilot trained on Airbus systems will likely prefer automation. A pilot from Boeing background may prefer hands-on flying. Now the truth. Modern aircraft, including the Embraer C-390 Millennium, are blending both philosophies, automation when needed, manual control when critical. Even the Airbus A400M Atlas offers flexibility depending on mission. Pilots don't just choose aircraft, they adapt to them. So why do pilots prefer Boeing or Airbus? Because each offers a different kind of confidence. One gives control, the other gives protection. And in aircraft like the KC-390 and A400M, those philosophies collide. So, which would you choose? Control or automation? Speed or versatility? The answer might define the future of aviation. For more deep aviation breakdowns like this, subscribe now, because the next comparison might change everything you believe about flight.